Hi, I'm Bill from BeyondFitnessOnline.com, and today I'm going to show you how to add a little something to your bird dog exercise in order to get more out of it. Now, if you're familiar with the bird dog exercise, it's an exercise where you're on all fours, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. But the purpose of the exercise is to build coordination between your upper body and your lower body, to increase your core strength, and can also be used as a rehabilitation exercise if you have low back issues, hip issues, and things like that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take a band and we're going to add some lateral resistance to that. And the purpose of that is to increase the amount of core activation you get, and also can help to correct any muscular imbalances that you might have. So without further ado, let me show you that exercise.
To do this exercise correctly, you're going to fasten a band to something stationary to your side. Then you're going to put that band around your hips. You're going to set up like a normal bird dog. Make sure there's some tension on that band. You're going to alternate extending one arm and the opposite leg. You're going to keep going back and forth. Now, from there, you can take it to the next level and take that elbow all the way down to the knee so that you get some rounding in the spine. This changes how it activates the muscles through the core and provides a further challenge.
I hope you found this exercise helpful. And if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. And until next time, live healthy.